wants to talk.
Nobody wants to talk. It's too early in the morning. Vacay starts today. I mean, come on, people. We heading to Charleston. We got everything. Oh, Lord. I think everything's good. We're good. We're good.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm Ronnie.
I'm Alma.
And life is good today. And we're out of here. We'll see you at the port. I hope you filed a police report when you hit them people.
We did.
Okay.
He tried to sue me for hitting his wife.
Yeah, every time I hit somebody's wife, they try to sue me too.
Well, quit hitting people. Don't be mean.
I wasn't hitting it that way.
Big boat, big boat, big boat, big boat, big boat. Woo woo! It is a road, baby. It's an old horse path from a long time ago.
Alright, guys. How do I get to
Alright, we gotta take a left and...
We don't go straight across?
No. You gotta take a left, I think, and go down there and go into the...
Yeah, because those have police get down to below the warehouses where you can park the side. I think you keep going.
Yeah, it's like...
5.2 miles. Then turn left on Castle Street. Then turn left.
I think
It's right there. Ain't that where you're going at?
I don't know which gate we can go in. You want me to ask them?
Yeah.
Say. How do I get to the boat?
Stay in this lane. Are you parking the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay in this lane. Go all the way down and around. The first street on your right is Lawrence Street. Go down Lawrence to gate 2, okay?
All right, thank you.
Stay in this lane, first street on the right.
All right, thank you. What'd he say? Just kidding.
Yeah, we'll need our boarding pass.
She said I will not be silenced.
You can't silence me.
Yeah.
So we gotta go gate 2.
Unhook me.
Look at it.
Cruise parking ahead.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna jump out. Well, actually, one second.
Get out our passports just in case. Open up.
Open up the back.
I think somebody else is knocking on the door. Or did you not hear me?
She's zoned out.
I'm not paying attention.
She was looking at that boat. She said she saw that water slide and she's ready to go.
I think that water slide might be a little cold.
Boarding pass.
Right.
Wallet.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Any need for handicap parking?
No.
Get up to $100.
We'll do that.
Huh? She pay. We'll pay them.
By your name.
Or leftover cash.
Huh?
With their leftover cash.
Yeah, we'll pay them with our leftover cash.
No. Margo says.
Have some guys, too.
Yeah.
Sign this one for me. Oh my God. Let me get you a receipt. Oh wow.
Put your wallet back.
Y'all have a marvelous time in the ship and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
But not too much fun, right?
Oh, have a good time. Yeah.
Too much fun with you, Chad.
They don't.
know what kind of
She
fun
don't know.
you can
She
have.
don't know you,
I mean,
Chad.
she's talking to. That sounds like a challenge to me.
Oh, challenge accepted. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh yeah. I
That
don't
was
know what
dangerous.
about that building.
Like it could fall over it. Look, they're gonna have to prop it up.
I wonder what that is. It must be some kind of historical
Remnants of
something.
Yeah, we done a tour and they talked about it.
Get some cash.
We got on up, on up.
You get some cash.
Oh, that's good. You sure you want me to drive?
Listen.
Let
don't
me
be
out.
yelling at
Do you
me and
wanna-
Don't be getting me stressed
Let me
out.
out.
You want to open the trunk for me?
Let me out. Doing great. How about yourself?
All right.
Awesome. I don't know which all these bags are going. Baby, give me some cash so I can tip this man.
Appreciate it.
We'll be at the boat before you know it. I mean, it's only a mile away. You know, I was watching a YouTube video yesterday, and they was talking about walking like this. Said you walk way over here to go over there to get on a bus to go way back over here. I wonder if that'll happen. Somebody lost a toy. Is this?
That might be nighttime crying there.
We don't want the baby to not have her toy.
Navy boat or something over there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Welcome to Carnival.
Yeah. Fun. I want to have some fun. I'm looking to have fun. Two. Number 7. It looks like a winner. Always bet on 7.
Welcome back.
Uh-oh.
Just looking through t-shirts online last night, trying to figure out. I was trying to figure out what
I ordered that too.
I ordered one that's supposed to go in your door.
I got that too.
And I think it says you don't have to be crazy to travel this, but we can help you or something.
I got mine with my birthday, because mine's a birthday cruise.
There you go.
In 2 weeks.
Awesome. Happy early birthday.
Awesome. Out of Tampa.
Mine in March if I get off on the anniversary.
Take your glasses off. But that away, did you get them from Amazon?
No, they're going
Sure.
Well, they were actually kid Christmas gifts.
Another Christmas gift from our
From somebody, huh?
family. I'm trying to say, who was it?
Christmas gift too, my shirt. But that's this away.
Okay.
Oh, we just need about. Awesome.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Ron.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm well, thank you.
Put this away.
What is that?
This is the only paper that you need in your hand.
All right.
Welcome back, both of you. Y'all
Thank
have
you.
a seat. They'll call your zone.
All right. Thank you.
so much, dear.
Where they at? Where'd they go?
Oh, you just want to get on the shuttle now. Okay. Enjoy your cruise. Julie and James.
Hey, well, it was nice meeting you.
Same here.
We were the last
Yeah, y'all was last minute. Yeah. Where'd they get to? Where'd they go? Oh, absolutely.
All right.
You go right. I was going to say, right over in one of those there, you can sit down.
Okay.
You guys are all set, eh?
Well, you know, this is new.
Yeah.
Where's Chad and them get to? Our friends, we lost them. Now we're going to get on a bus to go to the big boat. We're going to the boat. We're going to the boat. We're going to the boat. Going to the boat.
Are you with them? Can you come? Are y'all guys together? We can go on this lodge.
Oh, they done got a different. They got a different. Why'd we have to be with them? We could have. Oh.
Thank you. Have a good cruise.
Thank you.
I'm glad you are now, ain't you?
Special. You're VIP, ain't you?
Very insane person.
Very insane.
They used to do it here
Yeah.
in this building.
Yeah, it's a little funkier now. I wonder if it's because of the ship or.
I wonder if that's why they're parking more outside, because I think that building over there used to be inside.
We're getting on the big boat, getting on the big boat.
We're in Charlotte.
Ship to the ship.
Vacation.